vasodilates, it brings blood everywhere. The initial reason why the things like Viagra were created from Vidium monitor, which is a lichen that grows on rocks in China, the initial reason was to increase the circulation to the brain of Alzheimer's patients and increase the circulation to the heart of cardiac patients. They just found that it worked better on the penis than it did on the heart and the brain, so that's what they went for, because that's where the major amount of money would be. But now they're beginning to apply this where it's supposed to be applied, which is everywhere else. So, they found that the downregulation, cyclic GMP, and the downregulation of nitric oxide helps to cause colon cancer, helps to cause rectal cancer, and helps to cause cancerous polyps in the intestines. So if you upregulate cyclic GMP, if you get rid of and control a good bit of the effects of the PDE5 enzyme, bingo, you've got beneficial effects to epithelial tissue. And folks, not only will this help your colon and your intestines, as I said, it will help your brain and your heart, because that's what they were originally meant to do. If you combine this, the Viagra, if the Viagra works for this, so will anything else in the same class. The Cialis, the whatever other drugs there are, Silavitra. If you combine this with our nitric oxide producing supplements, like the arginine EE with TMG, which we don't have in stock now, which we are going to probably change to D